In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix Studio. By the end, you'll be able to quickly reorder the sections on a page so your content flows exactly the way you want. Start by looking at the left-hand toolbar in the Wix Studio editor. Find the layers icon. This is the panel that shows everything on your current page in a structured list. It sits just below the plus icon, the one you use for adding new elements. Clicking the layers icon opens a panel that displays your sections in the exact order they appear on the page. Think of it as a bird's eye view of your layout. Inside this panel, you'll see each section listed from top to bottom. This list represents the visual order your visitors experience, so the item at the top is the first section on your page, and so on. If your page is long, don't worry. Just scroll to see everything. Hovering over a section name usually highlights it on the canvas, which helps you visually connect what you're seeing in the list with what's on the page. Before you move anything, click the section you plan to reorder. This takes you directly to it on the canvas, confirming you've selected the correct one. It's a simple check that saves you from accidentally moving the wrong section, especially if some sections have similar names or content. Now you're ready to move it. In the Layers panel, click and hold the section you chose, then drag it to the new position in the list. As you drag, look for the placement indicator, usually a line or highlight, that shows where the section will land. Release to drop it into place. You'll see the canvas update immediately, reflecting the new order. If you didn't get it quite right the first time, just drag it again. Reordering is non-destructive, so you're not changing the content inside the section, only its position on the page. A couple of quick tips as you work. Move one section at a time so you can instantly verify the new flow, and watch the section names in the Layers panel so you always know what you're moving. If your list feels crowded, collapse any groups you don't need to see so it's easier to drag to the right spot. And there you go. That's all it takes. Open the Layers panel on the left, click a section to confirm it, then drag and drop it into the correct order. With this simple workflow, you can fine-tune your page structure in seconds and keep your design clean, consistent, and easy to navigate.